Hello guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. We just finished installing a Thinkware Q800PRO Dash Cam on this Range Rover Sport 2011. It's a 2K Ultra HD Dash Cam. As you can see, it is nicely installed. The wire is nicely tucked underneath, and as you can see, we've got the rear camera at the back installed as well, so you've got full coverage. We've also installed full headrest screens at the back for rear passengers. Nice factory looking screens on the back here. It's got full phone mirror support, so you can mirror your phone on it. As you can see, let me just bring it up, and it will connect to your phone, and you'll be able to mirror your phone on here, so you can watch all your movies at the back, Netflix, YouTube. We've got two screens, so for a second passenger, nicely installed, tucked away, all the wiring. So yeah, nice factory finish on it. So yeah guys, doesn't matter how old your car is, we can always fix brand new headrests onto any car. So yeah, just give us a shout if you want one installed. Thank you.